Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we start, please subscribe and ring the notification bell, then you'll get notice of any videos I do in the future. So we've come to the Chocolate Factory. Now a lot of you will have heard of that, and you'll think of the one at Pratamnak, but in fact there are two. This is the original one, this is the one where they actually make the chocolates. So we've come to have a look at this place and have a look round. It's also got a nice cafe, and I'll show you the menu and everything. But we can go and have a look at how they make the chocolates and also the what they have here. And then after that, I'm going to take you to the other one at Pratamnak, which is the one at Cozy Beach with the awesome view. By the way, I forgot to mention where this is. It's on Sukhumvit Road, opposite the floating market. So they're actually making the chocolates here, which they sell at both venues, here and down at Cozy Beach. Those are chocolate Cinderella shoes, £250. Cafe is straight ahead. We'll just go have a look at the menu. It's not expensive, not really. If you look at the prices, it's just sort of very normal prices. just have a quick look round the cafe here, and then we're going to go down to Pratamnak, to Cozy Beach, to have a look at the shop and cafe down there, which is the one with the awesome view. So we're now down at Pratamnak. We'll go in and have a look at the shop and the cafe here now. So how about that for a view? And you've seen the prices. It's the same menu in both places. It's not expensive. You can come and eat here for 150 baht with that view. I think that's really good value. So anyway, I just wanted to show you everything. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, ring the bell for notifications. And I shall see you on the next video. And thank you very, very much for watching.